last week we were all making snowmen, and this week we're in the conference room. So I'll try and keep it quick to get us back on schedule. Chances are everyone knows who Interleaf Technology are. We've been around. We're actually celebrating our 20th birthday this year. Quiz note, quiz question. I'm just going to touch on a few points, just what's really new to the marketplace, especially in RFID. It's not really RFID, we're more talking self-service in general. It's something that we're hearing a lot of from the marketplace, what we're actually doing out there. A little bit about Koha, our open source library management system. Just some facts and figures, just to get the brains going. Other things that we do, it's surprising people pick up the phone and ask us, do you guys do this? Do you guys do this? Likely the answer is yes, we do. So we'll go through that. And our vision, we have been around for a long time. People say, I think Interleaf do this, I think they do that, but we'll just go through very, very quickly what we do in our strategy for the library community. Okay, so it just doesn't want to stay on that slide. Okay, so RFID self-service. We travel to lots of libraries. Lots of libraries come to us and say, do you guys have self-checkout? Do you guys have self-print so people can go up and release print jobs? Do you have other machines to do various things, book PCs, top up cards, library cards, etc.? And it's becoming apparent in libraries that there are a vast number of machines on different floors, different levels. So what we've actually tried to do with our partners in Visionware is to gather all that information, all that technology, and put it together in one single place with new software. So as you see in our RFID kits, or it doesn't even have to be RFID, it can actually be a touchscreen anywhere within the library, that we've actually pulled everything together. So self-checkout, reserved computers, actually release print jobs. It's not here, but you can actually top up library card and payments as well. So we're trying to pull all that in together. And everyone's going, that's great, but I actually don't have the budget to actually replace all the RFID equipment. We all know that RFID equipment and hardware is super expensive. Well, we don't need to do that anymore. What we've actually done is, I know the Biblioteca guys are here. Hi guys. But we can actually put the software in actually any RFID hardware equipment. So if you've had RFID hardware for quite some time and the software is getting a bit old and getting a bit dated, we can actually come in and replace that to give it the up-to-date software. And what's really nice about this kit as well is that if you ever want to try and do some marketing across to the students or to whoever it is within your library, the software will allow you to do that. So if you log in and try and loan a book or book a PC or top up your card, it will know who you are, so you can actually have dedicated marketing coming across to those people as well. What's new for them, what books they should read, all from the single kiosk. Okay? So just to keep in mind, it's not as expensive as what you think it is to get it in place. Koha, everyone's likely heard about Koha now, hopefully so. I love library names. There's so many random library names out there. I had the luxury of choosing a library name for one of my predecessors that I worked for. But Koha is actually designed in New Zealand, and it's a Maori name for the word gift. Okay, and it's really in the same philosophy as really what you guys do for a living, being part of a library. What they wanted to do was make knowledge open and available and free to everyone. Okay, so really, just looking at some facts and figures at the bottom here, it is the largest library management system used in the world. Fact. There's over about 15,000 libraries in the world using Koha. All different sizes, all different scales. In Ireland, at the minute, and we are just at the start of March, there are 47 new libraries that are going to be adopted in Ireland this year, and that's only March. That currently is 122 libraries using Koha, so we can see that that's about a 30% increase, so it's becoming ever popular. And because of that, we've actually had to increase our staff base. So we've actually hired 3 additional staff members into Interleaf, 1 technical, 2 operational, to help deal with the influx of Koha. Okay. What's really interesting, just before I jump on, is that we have actually written, and we're writing the interlibrary loans module for Koha. And just to show you the scale of what's happening is that ourselves and PTFS Europe and the UK are writing this module, actually programming it in that once it's fully complete, all 15,000 users worldwide will be able to get access to it. So that's what we mean by a community. It doesn't matter who designs things into the system, it means it's readily available for everyone. Very quickly, we do a lot of things. So do bear in mind that if you're running low on barcodes, if you're running low on scanners, receipt printers, bounce pads, if you want the tall bounce pads, flex bounce pads, whatever it may be, please pick up the phone and give us a call. We have a lot of stock and we are willing to get rid of it. But just bear in mind, we do these things. So if you're looking to expand or get some new scanners or RFID pads, what have you, please give us a call. And lastly, this is our vision. If you don't really know Interleaf that well, this is what we try and achieve. We are system integrators. What we mean really by that is that we try and build the best of breed. We use the best packages and pull them together to give you guys the best solutions for your library. Really, that is our aim, that is our vision. That's what we hopefully are very, very good at. So if you've got any problems in the library, or if you ever think that there's something that you would love to achieve but you don't know how, again, please get in touch. It's what we love to do. It's what we love to specialize in, and we're there to help. We are not just jelly bean givers, but everyone should have some. Hopefully have some during the day, keep your sugar levels up before we hit the pub later on. So enjoy the day. Thank you very much.